Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ginseng powder. To begin, understand that ginseng powder is a versatile supplement derived from the dried root of the ginseng plant. It is commonly used to support energy levels and overall well-being. This fine powder can be easily incorporated into various foods and beverages, making it a convenient addition to your daily routine. We will cover several simple methods for enjoying its benefits. There are many easy ways to incorporate ginseng powder into your diet. A popular method is to mix about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon into hot water, creating a soothing tea. For a quick energy boost, try adding it to your morning smoothie or fresh juice. You can also sprinkle a small amount over your oatmeal, yogurt, or even a salad for a subtle, earthy flavor and added nutrients. Experiment to find your favorite way. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support truly helps the channel. On another note, speaking of feeling good, does your car need a little pick-me-up? Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh ride. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. When using ginseng powder, proper dosage is key. A typical daily dosage ranges from 1 to 3 grams, but it is always best to start with a lower amount, perhaps around 500 milligrams, to see how your body responds. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Always consult a healthcare professional before beginning any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications, to ensure it is safe for you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.